Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use referral code on Shein. So let's dive right in. A referral code is basically a unique string of characters that you can share with friends or family. When they use your code during their first purchase, you both earn rewards. It's a win-win situation. First thing first, grab your phone and open the Shein app. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile section. Now, depending on the Shein app version, you might find your referral code in two places. Look for an option titled My Reference or Share and Earn. If you see a Share and Earn option, that's your chance to spread the shopping love. You can copy your code and share it with friends on social media, text messages, or however you like. So there you have it. Using referral codes on Shein is a simple way to have some cash and treat yourself to some amazing fashion finds. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.